Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to the journey of the Qur'an. The purpose of starting this class is very simple: to help you learn how to read the Qur'an easily, step by step, without difficulty. How the Qur'an is easy. The simplest proof is this: a child, just 5 or 7 years old, can read the entire Quran with perfection and complete accuracy. Even the child does not know grammar and language rules. That shows us the Quran recitation is quite simple and natural, and it can be learned more easily than any other language. I want to clear one thing. If someone wants to read an English newspaper, obviously he has to learn the English alphabet. In the same way, if someone wants to read the Quran, he has to learn the Arabic alphabet. So, we are starting from the very beginning, the Arabic letters. And don't worry, this is much easier than any other language. Today, our first lesson is the first 4 letters of the Arabic alphabet. Let's start with the first letter. Look at it. How simple it is. This letter is Alif. It's like a straight vertical line or like a standing straight pencil. So simple shape. Now please say it with me. Alif. Again, Alif. One more time, please. Alif. Good. That's simple. Now look at these 3 letters. Ba, ta, tha. Take a moment and really look at them. They all have the same shape. Of course, the same shape. That's why Arabic is easier than many languages. Now, let's notice the difference. The shape is the same, only the dots change. Ba has 1 dot below. Ta has 2 dots above. Tha has 3 dots above. That's it. Same shape, different dots. Easy to remembrance. Now, say them with me. Ba. Again, ba. Before we start next letter, one more important thing I want to clear it. This is our step 1. Here, we only focus on shapes and the names of the letters. Perfect pronunciation comes later, inshallah ta'ala. Right now, just relax and follow along. For now, just copy the sound exactly as you hear it. For example, when I say ba, the sound goes in a certain direction with a certain balance and angle. Your job is to keep your sound on the same balance. Don't tilt it like ba, and don't push it upward like ba. Just follow the sound exactly the way you hear it. If you do this, 2 things will happen naturally. First, learning pronunciation will become much easier later. And second, your Quranic tone will automatically start sounding Arabic. So remember please, This class is only about recognizing the letters and the names of the letters. Now coming back to the class, one last time say please, ba, ba. Now, ta, again, ta. Now look at sa, again, sa. Excellent. Now let's say all four letters together. First listen all four letters, then you repeat it. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Again, alif, ba, ta, sa. One last time, please. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Perfect. You see how easy is this? Letter by letter, you are moving closer to the Qur'an. This is how our journey starts. Now it's time to practice. Below this lesson, you will find practice videos. One for male learners and other is for female learners. There, each letter is practiced separately and then together. Take your time. Brothers and sisters, how did this lesson feel? Easy and interesting, right? You have completed your first step. Alhamdulillah. Well, see you in the next lesson, inshallah ta'ala.